Sony is about to flip the camera world on its head. After years of silence, the long-awaited Sony A7S IV has finally entered the spotlight. But here's the twist. It's not coming the way anyone expected. This isn't just an update. It's a complete redefinition of what the A7S series stands for. Intro. Welcome to Technophy. If you're passionate about photography and video gear, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated cameras of the decade, the Sony A7S IV. Main body, engaging flow. For years, the A7S series has been known as the low-light king, thanks to its iconic 12-megapixel sensor. But now, Sony might be saying goodbye to that very identity. Rumors suggest the A7S IV could feature a brand new sensor between 20.5 and 24.2 megapixels, almost double the resolution of its predecessor. This bold move has filmmakers buzzing. Will it still deliver that legendary clean low-light performance, or is Sony carving a new path? But here's the exciting part. It's not just about more pixels. Insiders claim the A7S IV will come with a stacked CMOS sensor and dual-layer design, meaning better detail and stronger low-light capability. Early reports even suggest dual native ISO, with a second base ISO reaching up to 25,600. Imagine shooting in near total darkness while still capturing razor-sharp detail. And video? That's where things get even crazier. Expect 6K recording at multiple frame rates, including 120 FPS, plus 4K 120 FPS footage oversampled from 6K, giving you buttery smooth slow motion with insane detail and color accuracy. Rolling shutter issues? Sony's tackling that head-on with a faster sensor and upgraded BIONZ XR processor. Not to mention AI-powered autofocus tracking, so even solo shooters can nail perfect focus in challenging environments. And let's talk about reliability. Overheating has been a major concern for many creators, but the A7S IV is rumored to feature a completely redesigned cooling system, making longer, stress-free shoots possible. Add to that up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, and you've got a serious hybrid powerhouse that's equally at home in photography and filmmaking. So what does this all mean? The A7S IV isn't just about low-light domination anymore. It's evolving into a true hybrid camera. High resolution, advanced video tools, smarter autofocus, and rock-solid stability. Some will see this as the evolution they've been waiting for. Others may feel Sony is moving away from the roots of the series. Either way, one thing is crystal clear. Sony is not playing it safe. So, what do you think? Is the Sony A7S IV the bold step forward filmmakers need, or is it drifting away from the unique identity that made the series legendary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell because we've got more breakdowns, hands-on reviews, and comparisons coming your way. This is Technophy, and I'll see you in the next one.